Hola, muy buenos días. Esta es la rutina de Silvia de septiembre, el 9 de septiembre. La rutina de Silvia, fill in the blanks with the appropriate choices from the cues. Okay, podemos escoger, we can choose here. Okay, por la mañana, that's in the morning, or durante el día, Silvia se prepara para salir. Now, se prepara, so she's getting ready to go out. Would it be in the morning or during the day? Right, por la mañana. Por la mañana, Silvia se prepara para salir. We have primero is first and antes de is before. Now, antes de, check it out. Antes de, you're not going to conjugate afterwards, just to let you know. So, since we have a se levanta, she gets up, you can't say antes de se levanta, so you're going to have to say first, she gets up. Primero, se levanta y se ducha. Again, antes de means you don't conjugate afterwards. So first, she gets up and takes a shower. And then we have después, after, and antes, before. Let's see. And we have de ducharse. So it's either going to be después de ducharse or antes de ducharse. Since we just said she took a shower and then something getting dressed, so she's probably going to get dressed afterwards. So después de ducharse. Notice again, después de ducharse. We're not conjugating ducharse. Ducharse, se viste. Then the next, after the comma, we conjugate se viste. She gets dressed. And cuatro. We got entonces means then, or durante means during. So she puts on makeup. Does she want to do it during or after? I'm thinking then. Entonces se maquilla. Then she puts on makeup. And then after this blank, we have de salir. So we need one of those words that goes with de, like either antes de or después de. Oh, they have antes de. Right, so antes would have a de afterward. So that works. Antes de. Antes de salir, before leaving. Come algo, she eats something. Y bebe un café, and drinks a coffee. Then we got during or at the end, por último, let's see. She combs her hair, se peina, y se pone una chaqueta. Is she going to do that after or during eating? Hopefully you're combing your hair after, so por último, or at the end. Por último, se peina y se pone una chaqueta. Now we have blank. Silvia no tiene tiempo. Silvia does not have time. We got durante el día, during the day, or antes de. Antes de means you need a verb afterwards that we don't have. So since it's just Silvia, we're going to put durante el día. Durante el día, Silvia no tiene tiempo de volver a su casa. She doesn't have time to return to her house. And then blank, she eats something in the cafeteria. Now we talked about antes de needs an infinitive, like the ER or AR form of a verb, which we don't have. We have a conjugated verb, so we'll have to use más tarde. Later, más tarde, come algo en la cafetería. De y estudia en la biblioteca. I don't know why there's a day there, but okay. We either got por la tarde or por último, so in the evening or finally at the end. Silvia works in el centro comercial, in the business center there. Probably she's not going to work at the end, but por la tarde. In the evening she works downtown. And then blank llega a su casa y está cansada. And then she arrives at her house and is tired. Well, since she's working in the evening, she'll probably finish por la noche and arrive at her house. Primero just means first. Nope, so in the evening or in the night, she'll arrive at her house and is tired. Now look at, you got más tarde, later, and después de, after. But we have prepara, and it's not an infinitive, so we can't use después de. We'll have to say más tarde, so later. It's like more tardy. Later, más tarde, prepara algo de comer. She prepares something to eat. Y mira la televisión un rato, and watches TV. Oh, now we got a antes de or a después de. Acostarse a dormir. Siempre estudia un rato. So either before going to bed or after going to bed, she often studies a little bit. Usually you study before going to bed. Okay. Right, muy bueno. Gracias.